install this floating shelf onto a dot and dabbed wall. So basically this is a solid wall behind, and then on the front of it is some plasterboard which has been glued on using dabs of drywall adhesive. If you tap the wall you can actually hear it. You can hear it's hollow in places and solid in other places. And where it's solid, that is where the actual dabs of adhesive are, which are holding the plasterboard to the wall. Fixing to a dot and dab wall can be difficult, so in this video I'm going to use a special fixing which is called a corefix fixing. When you're installing this bracket, it actually needs to go with the holes facing down. However, when you are putting it against the wall and you are measuring and marking out, it doesn't really matter which way up it goes, it can go either way for that. But when it comes to the final fixing, you do have to have it with the holes facing down. Obviously you need to ensure there are no pipes or cables buried behind the plasterboard, so it's a good idea to check. You can always do a visual check, make sure there are no sockets or switches in the area or no central heating pipes, etc. So once we've got that in position, I'm just going to mark one hole in the centre there for the centre fixing hole. And I'm just going to take an envelope on there. That will collect the majority of the dust. These are the fixings that I'm going to be using. These are a corefix fixing. So to use these you need to drill a 10mm hole deep enough for that plug. We then knock that metal insert in the end of that, and then we use this long screw, and that will give us a very strong fixing in the dot and dab wall. Obviously now's a good time to put some safety glasses on. I'm now going to proceed to drill the first hole. So I'm going to start off with no hammer action on until we get through the plasterboard. And then once we're through that, I'm then going to switch on the hammer action. I'm then going to take the corefix fixing plug. I'm going to tap that into the hole. I'm then going to tap in the insert. And then take the bracket and fix that loosely to the wall. We're not going to go too tight just yet because we do need to adjust the bracket slightly. We can now put a spirit level on there. We can just adjust that until we get it completely level, which is about there. And we can then mark our fixing holes. We can then just loosen the centre screw. That will enable us to turn that most of the way. We can then tap in the corefix plugs. And then the metal insert. The corefix fixings come in a pack of 4 like that. You can actually use these for fixing really heavy items such as boilers, radiators, kitchen cupboards, etc. So these are a really useful fixing for fixing to a dot and dabbed wall. So we've now got 3 fixings installed for this shelf. However, it is recommended to have at least 5 for a shelf of this size. And it is perfect level, so I'm now just going to mark the final 2 fixing holes. So I'm going to put one up there at the top right and one up here at the top left. Just drive a couple of those in. We're not going to go all the way in, we do need to adjust this still. Now I'm just going to put the spirit level on there. I'm going to tighten the screws by hand to ensure we fix that in the exact correct position. I can now take the shelf, ensuring I get the 2 screw holes at the bottom, and we can push that into position. Once we've done that, we can then take the 2 small screws and we can insert them and screw through into the brackets. So that's how to install a floating shelf onto a dot and dabbed wall. I hope you found this video useful. If you have and you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel.